Nkwa no mini Faisal ni nkoma. Faisal ye media general reporter e wo Volta region. My ni nkoma no pay. Faisal, good morning. Bibi aboko de. Good. Minim say chi no sheda nye clear sa but fafin fam ho ne nkowai. Na mpacho e de na si wo ho video say ba no de ya te say manfo bi di jato ho party office. Omo di jatum ama party documents bi mo ahyehye ne ade. Mpacho e mu nchemu ne say e ba ne say time be na sa de si na say di pa no mu favor.
After 6 p.m. on the 27, I'm not for big call. We're central party office called Shija. That time, the real person in the office who is supposed to be the party administrative assistant had left the office at 6 p.m. And the office was in lock at the time of the attack. So they actually got a concern. I'm not feeling only the keyboard not for party computer in our office, documents, party furniture, tables and chairs in the office. Brought them out and set all of these ablaze. The incident between the time it happened and the time we got them was very 30 minutes. And so the fire service got in to burn the fire. They set car fires ablaze as well, and even across the street, leading to the whole market. So that also disrupted traffic flow for a few minutes until the fire service came in to burn the fire and also clear the road for vehicles to move. This incident was actually engineered and executed by some party members who are yet to be identified. And their reason for the background information we picked from the party office yesterday was that they were not too happy that the ongoing appointment being made, nobody is coming from the whole central constituency. And that between 1992 till date, all the appointments the NDC have made in the Volta region, not a single person came from the whole central constituency. And so they're not happy that even now when the appointment has been done, they have not had a name being mentioned from their constituency. And this is what really fueled their anger and the reaction last night was a very violent one. The police were at the scene after and also gave assurance that they were going to commence investigations immediately. And what is refreshing to note is that the party is able to admit that the persons are their members and that they are very sure that they will be able to identify them.
So they have confirmed they are members of the NDC?
Yes. There is no doubt that what happened yesterday was done by members of the NDC. And the party executives, the constituency admitted that. The only thing they could not do was to tell us the exact individuals by way of their identity who committed that crime last night. So they assured us, and also the police, that they will find a way to identify them, hand them over to the police for to be dealt with by the law. They condemned the attack and indicated that it is a crime, it is criminal for anyone to break into the office and to undertake such the harassment of an attack on the party at the level here in the constituency. And so they will ensure that the law takes its full course as far as the individual is concerned. Okay. So this is the exact thing that happened at the office.
All right, I'm for your new reporter Faisal, and I didn't come out. We are entry. We are born tough from China. Faisal, what is brofunim? Faisal, but you earlier mentioned that the furniture and other documents were brought out of the office. So are you saying that the fire was not, was not set in the facility, but rather the documents and the furniture within the facility. Is that what you are trying to say?
Yes, I've seen some media reports saying that the office was set ablaze. That's not the case.
Oh, okay.
They broke into the office, took out the office items, like I mentioned, the computers, the furniture in the party office, documents, including the backup and register, and set them ablaze right in front of the party office. And then also damaged the ceiling fans in the party office. So the structure itself was not set ablaze. It's the item they actually brought out to set ablaze.
I see. And are you aware whether any arrest has been made as we speak? Are you aware whether police have made any arrests?
I'm not aware of any arrests yet. It will be following up this morning again to see if any of such has happened overnight. But after the time I was living, no single arrest was made.
Oh, okay. Okay. But are you aware whether the party executives within the constituency are willing to offer support to the police to do to make arrests or carry out any investigation they want to do?
Yes, we made that yesterday, but we are aware the people who undertook that task are their members, and so they will feed them out themselves and ensure that they get it accordingly. I know also, and that was also hindered in that apart from the prosecution, that is when they are arrested, the party will definitely take action against these individuals because it is not within, it is not in line with the party's culture, it is not in line with the aspirations of the constituency as a whole and as a party in the region. This is not something that the people of the Volta region in any way will condone and will want to associate with. So they do not agree with violence in any way. In fact, the Deputy Commissioner Secretary said that if indeed there are any concerns at all, they rather appreciate that the individuals employ civil means to get the attention of the president and the attention of authorities rather than engaging in violence. And so they definitely will be fishing them out for the police and so and also ensure that they get with after the physical violence and
I see. But your production say also me on the now can achieve we are there.
You have to help me explain this to my listeners.
I be so ya dey ochipa na anopa ho brofo sem no Ibrahim say me nka jo say jansa na katwi no enti no say I situation it say what to say after they see no anajo no and what to say
last night before we left there were police officers stationed the party office this morning they were still there guarding the place. The police as I speak to you now, so this is still under the police and showing that nothing happens thereafter. So the police is still under protection. Our investigations continue.
Oshemwa, Emrantia no mokoye sade no, but MMP no oye MP or your first time MP and I say the second term, third term. How long MP no our office as a member of parliament? The current MP?
Yeah, the current MP is the first time actually. We went on the table replacing Honorable Benjamin Akoma, who had been in parliament since 2013. He did 3 terms, 2 terms in the position, 1 term in government, that is between 2013 and 2017. Before Podo was Honorable Kofi, and then also Captain Ifojo. So, as far as this conversation is concerned, it is not really directly connected to the current member of parliament who they say is just no MP in parliament. So that is not so much of a concern to them. They think that aside appointing any of the MPs into the position of a minister, which they have never had, there are people highly qualified in the constituency that could have been appointed into any other position that they never had to do. So this is the issue. I want to put on record that the party immediately to us yesterday that this thing has nothing to do with the current member of parliament. And I can also stick with the fact that since the issue of appointment started, this agitation began across the constituency where everybody is telling you that they feel they have been shortchanged over time. They don't get anything. They just ended the election, they did over 93% to President John Mahama, and so they think they should be served.
All right.
Right. They are agitated over the fact that they are not getting it. So this is the basis for their agitation.
Right. My picking information is the president will be in the voter region on Friday. Or beginning a thank you tour in the voter region. I'm sure Oba probably or better how to explain to Ninkrofo anyhow Oba convince you say and the SC or Montrombo as a say.
Thank you very much. Tell my people in Kumasi that at the right time I'll speak to you. I'm not eating this minute, so. When I'm ready, glad to have this with you.
My uncle Savannah, Nani Christopher, I'm walking in Kumana. I'm going to move video in the